Hi there makers, I'm Gavin at Minerva and the countdown is on now to the Minerva Spring Fabric Fest. Every year we open up Minerva HQ so that you can get hands-on with some of our fabrics and shop from some of the amazing range that we have available here at Minerva. So we're opening up for our next event, our Spring Fabric Fest, on April the 18th and 19th. That's a Saturday and Sunday, so we've got a full weekend of fabulous shopping for you. There's a fantastic range of fabrics to choose from. So you've got end of roll bargains, you've got core range classics, there's ex-designer dead stock fabric, we've got patterns, we've got haberdashery. There is so much to explore. So downstairs is our fantastic end of roll sale. And here you will find an amazing range of thousands of different fabrics that are all cut already. And these are all just £4 a metre. So we've got an amazing selection to choose from, all divided into different fabric types for you. So if you're looking for cotton fabrics, there's a section for you just there. We've got a fantastic range of dress prints. You'll find amazing coating fabrics. We've got a superb linen selection if you're looking for something for those spring, summer days. We have got interfacing. You'll find Christmas fabrics. We've got so much for you to enjoy. So whatever you're looking for, there's a fantastic range and literally everything down there is in the £4 per metre. Now this is all end of roll fabrics. So this means this is potentially your last chance to get hold of some of these fabrics. Some are ex-designer dead stock. Some are designer ranges that we're no longer stocking here at Minerva. And these are all cut pieces, so they're all from kind of 1 metres to 5-6 metres. So there's a really good range there. You'll find enough for lots of different projects, and they're all very much there while stocks last. So they're fantastic to have a bit of a rummage, see what you've got, and there is just an amazing range to choose from. Additionally, down in our end of roll sale, you'll also find our fantastic under a metre section. Now, these are all smaller pieces that you might think, oh, what am I going to do with under a metre of this? Colour blocking, kids wear, bag making, use in toiles, patchwork. There's so many options. All of these pieces are just £1 a piece. That means you can pick up some fantastic, beautiful fabrics in there for next to nothing. You'll find everything from cottons, maybe pieces of faux leather, vinyl, there's fur, there's silks if you're very lucky. If you really want to get a sense of what different fabrics are like and what they like to sew with, this is an absolute treasure trove. And if you're like me and like a bit of colour blocking, you can pick up a few pieces that'll work together and create garments for next to nothing. Head upstairs in the sale and you'll enter our fabric boutique, where we have got a wonderful range of fabrics for you that are all on boards, ready to be cut to the exact length that you require. Now this time round, we're opening up our Minerva core range, so you can shop from a wide range of some of the best, most popular seasonal core ranges. This is a fantastic range of plains, staple fabrics, beautifully textured fabrics. There's so much to choose from, so you'll find everything from versatile jersey to cottons, viscose challis, there's wonderful crepes, we've got denims, we've got some fantastic sweater knits, we've got lovely cord, jersey. Whatever you're looking for, there's a wonderful range there. And because these are all pulled from our Minerva core range, there's a fantastic range of colours in each of those as well. So if you're looking for a red jersey for an upcoming project, maybe you're looking for a few different sweatshirt fabrics and maybe some coordinating cuffing that will go together, then we have got a wonderful range for you to choose from. In addition to our core range, upstairs we also have some fantastic dead stock fabrics that are all on boards and can be cut to the exact quantity that you want. There's a range of prices, but they're all fantastically priced. So you're going to get yourself some bargains and be able to plan out all your spring, summer makes for the months ahead. We've also got a fantastic range of patterns for you to choose from. So you can pick from some of our best-selling Big Four patterns, indie patterns, And because everything's right here for you, you can pick and choose, make sure that you've got the fabrics you need to work with the patterns that you're looking for. And also we've got our experts on hand. So if you want a little advice on what kind of fabrics are going to work with particular patterns, then Joe, Vicky, myself, the team here at Minerva are all on hand to help you out. Our fabric boutique has also got all those little finishing touches you need to complete any project. So we have our Gutermann racks where you can pick out coordinating thread for your garments. We've also got notions such as elastic. We've got a fantastic range of key sewing tools. So maybe you need a fresh pair of snips, maybe you need some scissors, a tape measure. We have got everything you could possibly need. There's even some lovely woven labels for adding finishing touches to your garments. It is a super range. It's like having a little pop-up Minerva shop right here for you to come visit. Now, if you're interested in our Minerva print-on-demand fabrics, we don't have those at the event, but what we do have is a fantastic showcase of all the different fabric base cloths that you can choose from in the Minerva range. So if you're interested, have been intrigued by maybe some of the options and want to see how they compare to one another, have a look at our showcase and you can get hands-on with samples of each and every one of them. There's details there of the composition, what the width of the fabric is, what the stretch is, so you can then compare one fabric to the next. So if you want to say, okay, how does the cotton canvas compare to the cotton denim? You can compare them side by side and really get a feel for all the different options that we've got in our Minerva print-on-demand range. So let's talk where and when. The Minerva Spring Fabric Fest is taking place on Saturday the 18th and Sunday the 19th of April, right here at Minerva HQ in Darwin. We're on Atlas Road in Darwin, which is directly opposite the train station. We're just up the road from the bus station too, so if you're coming on public transport, we've got nice easy access for you. There's lots of free parking throughout Darwin, including quite nearby, so if you're coming via car, there's loads of options for you for parking as well. Doors open from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. on the Saturday, and from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. on the Sunday. Plus, Minerva Craft Club members can come join us at 9 a.m. on the Saturday for an extra special hour preview session. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more information on how to find us, a little bit more about what you can find on the day, then do make sure you sign up to our Remnant Rescuers mailing list. We'll pop a little link in the description below so that you can sign up and make sure you get the best details on how to find us. We are super excited to meet you all in April. So if you want to come along, see Vicky, Annette, the whole team here at Minerva, we are so thrilled to be opening our doors for you. We know that you're going to love the range of fabrics and additional haberdashery that we've got available for you. And hopefully this will be a perfect way for you to pick out your spring/summer wardrobe makes for the months ahead. So do come along, say hello, and we'll hopefully see you there.